Hi there. No, you didn't click on the wrong video. This is a cleaning video, but because I'm out here locking up my goats and I love them so much and I like to brag about them, I thought I should do my intro out here. This is Blossom. She doesn't do any vacuuming ever, imagine, and she's got to the ripe old age of 6 without ever vacuuming, and she's a mum. No vacuuming. Wouldn't you like to be a goat? Anyway, so I just wanted, that's Clementine, and then the big one over there is Monty, and that one's Tag. That's it, that's my goats. So today I just wanted to show you how I do my home blessing hour. So the home blessing hour is what the Flylady does once a week, just a few minutes a day. There's a goat doing away. That's the sound you're hearing. Anyway, the things that happen on a farm. So just 1 hour, you get to do 6 different things, just 10 minutes each. This is Monty. And that gives you something that is a little bit more than your morning and evening routines, and a little bit less, or quite a bit less, than your zone cleaning. So it's that kind of in between that ties you over until you get to the zone cleaning. Now the Flylady has a whole heap of things that she suggests we do in that hour. She says 10 minutes of vacuuming, 10 minutes of mopping, 10 minutes of dusting, 10 minutes, that's 3, then 10 minutes of changing the sheets, 10 minutes of dealing with magazines and getting rid of that, 10 minutes of rubbish, putting away, and so on. Now for me, a lot of the stuff I don't need to do, because the sheets I just do when I get to that zone. Call me a grot, and yes, maybe one day I'll change them more often, but for now that works for me. The dusting, I kind of do what I call a wipe. I'll do a video about that at some point, but that will be, look, they're all rubbing themselves and me. They're using me as a rubbing post there. So the dusting, I just do a wipe when I get to the zone cleaning, so that's that. The trash, I just deal with the trash when it comes to when it's full, so I just do it then. And what else is there? The trash, it's hard to concentrate while you're scratching goats' heads. Anyway, all the other things I just don't need to do. What I do need to do though, and I need to spend more than 10 minutes a week on, is the vacuuming and a little bit of the mopping. So for the mopping, I only do 15 minutes and I do a spot mop, and then I do a proper mop when I get to that zone. And then basically my whole home blessing hour, or 45 minutes of it, is just vacuuming. And it's still not a detailed vacuum. I'm still not going under furniture too much. I'm not moving things around, but I really need to do that. I've got 5 cats in the house and 1 dog, and luckily these guys don't live in the house because they shed like crazy. Whenever I go home after seeing them, I'm covered in white hair, or black, but mostly white. So anyway, that's what I do. I'm now gonna lock these guys up and then show you what I've done this morning, which was running around and doing the vacuuming in the house.